ਟੈਲਸ ਨੇ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਜਾਦ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਬੈਬੀਲੋਨ ਐਪ। ਹਸਪਤਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਰੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਰੱਖੇਗੀ ਖਿਆਲ। ਘਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣ ਸਕੋਗੇ ਮਰੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਹਾਲ। ओनटारियो जो अपने तीजे पड़ाव के दाखिल हो रहा है, अजिहे दे विच हालात आम वांग अजे होना मुश्किल है क्योंकि कोविड-19 कारण अजे भी चिंता वध रही है, खास करके उदों जदों अपने किसी की सेहत के उत्ते गल आउंदी है। नैनोज रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक अध तो ज़्यादा ओनटारियन अपने किसी अजीज की देखभाल नहीं कर पा रहे, ना ही कोविड के डर तो हस्पताल जा सकते हैं। अजिहे विच टैलस के वल्लों वर्चुअल केयर के लिए एक ऐप बैबीलोन उपलब्ध करवाई जा रही है, जिस नाल मरीज़ की देखभाल डिजिटल तरीके नाल हो सकती है। तुसीं अपने डॉक्टर दे नाल मरीज़ की सेहत संबंधी राबता भी कायम कर सकते हो। देखते हैं होर की कुछ इस ऐप दे विच होवेगा खास।
So Babylon by TELUS Health is a free app that you can download on the App Store through Apple or Android. And basically what it does, it gives you access to video consultations with a physician in a province that they're licensed in. So for example, if you're in Ontario, you'll see a physician licensed in Ontario. So it's available right now in Ontario, Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan. So this provides an avenue for patients to have accessible healthcare wherever they are in the province, to see a physician for any issues that arise, for prescription renewals. We can also order laboratory investigations. We can make specialist referrals, and all of this is done from an app. So it's very convenient, very user-friendly.
Who can access Babylon by TELUS Health?
So it's available for anybody in the province where it's licensed for, the 4 provinces that I mentioned. So anybody with a valid health card is covered by the provincial health government, by the government for that visit by Babylon. So it's completely covered. Anybody can access it. You can make appointments for your children under the age of 16. Adults can make their own appointment. You can also make appointments for seniors, for your parents, if you're their caregiver. You just basically download the app on your phone, and then you put in your personal health information, and you're ready to make an appointment.
And what do I need to access Babylon by TELUS Health?
Well, basically, you're going to need a smartphone. So if you have a smartphone, you can download the app. There's no charge for the app. The services are covered by OHIP in Ontario and by other provincial health insurance plans in other provinces. And that's all you need. Now, when you download the app, you do have to put in your personal information, like your name, your address, your health card number. You also have an area where you can put in information such as your medications, your allergies, anything that's pertinent for the physician to know.
How are TELUS Health and Babylon Health ensuring that the healthcare practitioners used are legitimate?
So all physicians that are on the Babylon platform are licensed in the province in which they work. So for example, I'm licensed in Ontario, so I only see patients in Ontario. If anybody is from Alberta or BC, they would see a physician who's licensed in that province. So we have to be licensed. We do have to follow all College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario guidelines in terms of virtual care. We also go through a rigorous interview process with mock interviews that are recorded, and we get feedback, and we're monitored with periodic reviews as well.
How is Babylon by TELUS Health different from existing telemedicine services in the province, including Telehealth Ontario?
So there are some differences. Telehealth Ontario is a service that basically can enable patients to decide how to manage their care in terms of an acute episode. For example, if you're ill, you call telehealth. They can tell you whether you need to see a physician or you need to go to the emergency room, or it's something you can wait. They're basically triaging your care. In terms of providing more detailed care, that's available through an app such as Babylon. Because we have access to your history. We're actually seeing you on video as well as talking to you on the phone. We can order tests, we can order investigations, we can make referrals to specialists. And so there's more, you can follow up your results as well after they're done back in the app. So there's a lot more continuity of care. You have all your information in your app, so you actually have a medical chart that's available to you in the app.
ਸਾਡਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵੇਖਣ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਲਈ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਚੈਨਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਟਨ ਤੇ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰੋ।